Hi, my name is Scott Ryers from MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to take you through a video walkthrough of our Bennington 22L radius seating boat. This is a 22-foot boat, the L series from Bennington. As you can see, we have the blue with the blackout package on the exterior of the boat with the graphite interior as I get up to. The nice 4-rung, very sturdy black curved ladder, very easy to go up and down, very sturdy. Coming to the boat here, it's got the nice radius seating, the built-in cup holders on the cutouts on both sides. Dual captain's chair. I apologize, we don't have this boat put all the way together yet. So over here on the helm, you will have a 7-inch Simrad on the screen, the kicker stereo. You got the nice table here in the front that's removable. Nice big wraparound seating. This here is a removable seat that you can take out and put in the front or the back. It's very lightweight and easy to move. And then we do have the 2 movable cup holders. Give you a nice look at this. So this is our 2021 Bennington L22. It will have a 150 Yamaha on the back. Come on out and check this boat out if you would like to at our MarineMax store here in Greenville, or check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com. Or you can call us at 864-236-9005. Thank you.